Hello, hello. Let's continue revision. Open the revision sheets. We'll continue with vocab. Go to page 7. In this video, we will solve pages 7 and 8. So prepare those 2 pages, please. I will open them from here so that I can write. Let's revise these words. Shabbiest, very poor condition, looking really bad. Granted, happening 100%. Stone cutter, a person cutting stone, that's his job. Silk, super soft material. Wisdom, somebody who is very smart and wise. Spirit, something like a ghost. Poor, somebody without money. Servant, a helper. Appear, to show up. Hut, a kind of a house. And carriage, a kind of transportation vehicle. Let's say it like that. Okie dokie. Now let's start solving. Each word we use, we will cross it, because each word can be used only one time. We have 11 words for 11 sentences. My dress is made of silk. Super nice material. Silk. Yoshi is the stone cutter. Guys, you will notice that there are some words here that we didn't have as actual vocab words during the weeks, but these words are from the text Yoshi the stone cutter from the workbook, so they're here for revision because we need to revise that text as well. Okay. Now let's cross stone cutter. Done. Yoshi was she shabbiest? Granted. Wisdom, spirit, poor. Servant, appear, hut or carriage. Yoshi was poor. He was poor. He didn't have a lot of money. Good. Yoshi had never seen the spirit of the mountain. Let's cross spirit. He never saw the spirit. Mountain spirit will soon. It will show up. It will appear soon. Let's write it. Not nice. Wait, I want it to be up on the line. Good. Yoshi lived in a hut. In that kind of house. Small, poor house. Yoshi became a prince, riding in a carriage. Let's write carriage. The mountain spirit wishes made him come true. Granted. Excellent. Granted wishes. Let's cross granted. The prince had a shabbiest, a wisdom, or a servant. He had a servant. Let's cross servant. Let's write it down on the line. Maha lived in the shack. In the shabbiest shack. In very poor place. Let's cross shabbiest. Let's write it down. Shabbiest, good. And the little red fishes gave Maha strength. Wisdom. Let's write it. Let's cross it up. Perfect. Okie dokie. I hope you've been writing as I was typing. If not, press pause in the video to finish copying. Let's go to next page. This one. Look, this page I couldn't take picture of it at once, so it will come in 2 parts. So from 1 to 12 and then 13, 14. So on. Let me open it. Okay, let's revise the words. CE, common error. Remember when they started counting from 0. Control room, the place where they were checking all the data that they're collecting from the robot. Erupt, to explode. Lava, the liquid rocks. Rock samples, different kinds of rocks. Toxic, poisonous. Winch drum, do you remember what is a winch drum? like a barrel that had a cable wrapped over all around it. Angle, the way of looking. Scene, like a setting. Atmosphere, different lights, the feelings, remember? Expression, the look on the face. Startled, please, I ate here letter L. Startle, add here letter L before E. Startled, please add here letter L. Virtual world, not real world, but it almost looks as if it's real. It's so well done. Melted, something that becomes liquid. Recycled, something that passed the process of recycling. And shaped, remember we were explaining how you can shape the Play-Doh? Okie dokie. So let's start solving and crossing the words that we used. Inside a computer uses the information to work out how the gases are inside the volcano. Where is the computer using this information? Inside a control room. Perfect. Control room, and that's done. We cross it. Bye-bye. Let's change the color. Maybe red. Dante too can collect. What was it collecting? Do you remember? Rock samples. Great job. Let's write it. Rock samples. Vesuvius erupted 79. What do we need here? When they started counting time and then they reached 79. CE, you're right. Let's cross it. That's done. Many tourists go to see the, what do they go to see? Do you remember this part? Lava. They want to see the lava. It's very dangerous. Up to 70 volcanoes around the world, each year erupt and explode. Let's cross erupt. Done. Next one. Inside an active volcano, the air is full of gases. What kind of gases? Toxic. 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 The has 300 meters of cable wrapped around it. A winch drum. Good. Let's cross winch drum. The lights can add to the scene. The lights can add atmosphere. Let's write it. Atmosphere, number 8. Atmosphere. Good. Check the spelling for the big words. Number 9. Max looks startled. Max looks startled. Good. Let's cross startled. Number 10. We can set an angle, we can set a scene, we can set a virtual world, melted, recycled, shaped. We can set a scene. Good job. Let's write scene. And let's cross it up. Scene. We can set a scene. Number 11. John zooms in on the face and creates Max's. Which one? Expression. Good job. Let's cross it. Let's write it down. Expression. Number 12. John creates a that you feel you could almost walk into. What is it? John creates a virtual world. Perfect job, guys. Let's write it. Good job. Okie dokie, now I have to open the other part. This one. 13. John can spin the character around to look at it from every check the remained words. He can look at it from every angle. Good. Let's cross angle and let's write it here. Oopsie. Angle. Angle. 14. After melting, the glass can be into something new. After melting, it can be shaped. You're right. It can be shaped. Let's write it. Shaped. 15. Yesterday was so hot that my ice cream melted. Great. Let's write melted. And the last one. I like buying things that can be, what's the last word? Things that can be recycled. Perfect. That's it, guys. We finished revising the vocab. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.